Hey guys, it's Amy. I'm going to mix up these athletic greens in their bottle so you can see how green it is and you can see me drink it just for fun. So the instructions are, this is the bottle that comes with athletic greens. The instructions are to mix it with 10 ounces of water, but then it also says that if that is too hard to do less water, and I found that less water did help, okay? It is a very fine powder that pulverizes. That's the scoop. See that? And you'll see that it'll make a little cloud of dust. You put it in there. It gets all over everything. You can see very, very fine powder. It smells like pineapple and vanilla. It does not taste like pineapple and vanilla. It smells like pineapple and vanilla. There's no shaker ball or anything in there. It's powder. It doesn't actually dissolve, right? That is some green stuff. I think, I mean, I don't know, but I think that's the chlorella and the spirulina. Those are the only things I know of that are that green, all right? Like with anything that's kind of a tough thing, I think that being cold is helpful. Here we go. It's one of those things where the smell and the flavor don't match. It's flavored with stevia, which is a flavor I don't prefer. It's my preference. You can taste the vanilla flavor added. You can taste the pineapple and maybe the apple. But you can also really taste the spirulina and the green stuff in there. It's got a very strong green flavor. All right, that's it. Oh. All right. I would not describe it as delicious. That's just my personal opinion. It's not the worst thing I've ever tried to get in my body. It's definitely doable, and this is just a preference. But you know, it's exactly like drinking a vitamin. It tastes exactly like drinking a vitamin. That's just what it tastes like. Anyway, there's more details about what's in it and what it's like, but that is my review. I will also include a fun little clip of me trying to get my teenager to drink it. So enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Ew.
Ew, right?
It's disgusting.
Oh, it made your teeth green. Let me see your teeth.